Hi guys, I'm just a little bit worried that about the incident of this almond padlock, which has been opened by force through hammering. Because I have some padlocks existed, so I will try to test this. And how many hammer does it takes in order to sprung the shackle open? So I will use this brand new padlock, and it is on 00. And I will clamp it on a vice clamp and hammer it with a uh, let's say uh, a 10-pound hammer, maybe. No, maybe a little bit lighter than that. I will see in a normal situation. And the hammer to be used, I will use some uh, hammer which most of the burglars are using, a little bit bigger probably, and I will see if how many punches of hammer should this padlock can take. And if that happens that it takes only maybe 2 or 3 punches, then I will be replacing my padlock. If it stay on some longer, it will stay longer, then I will evaluate that at least those padlock in my area is safe, unless it is in some way, and it's more superficial way of opening, that it will open. Okay folks, so bear with me, and I'll take a test on this brand new padlock. Hi folks, now this is an almond padlock key, and I want to review it because of some issue which most of the time somebody did punch it open here. See that? So I will try it by myself, and this came out from the box, and this is on a 00 key. Right, so we will see how many punches should it take to open this almond. Right, this is a brand new one. Now I'll put this punch here because we will see how many punches can it takes, and it will be open. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well folks, it still holds on 10 punches. We'll add another maybe 3 or 4 or 5. Good. 13, Okay. Okay. 15. Well, folks, it still stand on 15 hammers. So let's try with the key. It still works. So I think I am a bit secure with my padlocks home, since I know that 15 strong punches of hammers, it survive and still works. Okay, congratulations, Almond.